Welcome to Little Scholars 1, where we are presenting our indoor bowling activity. The point of this activity has many values. Not only will our children have fun playing bowling, but we're also teaching them appropriate math skills, where math recognition, number recognition, along with turn taking, sharing, and just interacting with their friends to create a wonderful experience. So, my friends, I'm going to call all my friends one by one. When you bowl the first time, I will ask you to show me a number that's on our math bowling board right here. If you don't know the number, that's okay. You're going to ask me for help, and I will help you find the numbers. Are we ready to play? Yeah! First friend is Mohamed. Come on up, Mohamed. All right, let's already give him one ball to start. Ready, Mohamed? All right, let's see how many pins you can knock down. Go! Oh, you did! Give me high five, high five. All the pins, but wait. I need you to show me a number on our math bowling board. Can you use your finger and show me the number 8? Excellent, thank you, Mohamed. Come and have a seat. Good job, my friend. Okay. Our next friend is Yulia. Yulia, come on up. I want you to take the ball. Okay, we're gonna set up the pins real quickly. And remember, you're gonna bowl it, and then you're gonna pick a number that I'm gonna ask you, okay? And if you don't know, that's okay. Go. Nice job, but wait. How many pins do I see? 2 more pins. That means Yulia gets another try. Nice try. High five. Wait, show me the number 7. Where's the number 7? Thank you, Yuna. Let's give Yuna a big clap. Good job, my friend. Mohamed, are you ready to knock down the pins? All right, let's see how many pins Mohamed can knock down. Ready? Go. Nice. Here, we have one more chance. Try to get all 3 of them. Oh, so close. Mohamed, can you show me the number 3? Where's the number 3? Good job. High five. Thank you so much. So here at Little Scholars, we truly believe in the importance of education. But we also have to understand that children love to play games. Games is one of the most fundamental ways of children learning how to share, how to play with each other. And if you could intertwine both of these skills, you have children that leave us who are very much prepared for the public school system, and their transition becomes much easier.